Hey guys, it's finally my turn to get my underarm and leg waxing, and I'm here with Ate Eva, who's gonna give me my hot wax. They have two options and I decided to go for the hot wax because I usually get hot wax treatment. So, let's go! I was transferred to another room, a bigger room para sa aking leg waxing, and I'm here with Ate Gerlin. Ang cute-cute ng spelling na kanyang Gerlin. Gerlin. Yes. Sakit mo pa leg wax, ma'am?
Hindi man, ma'am.
Sure mo, ha? Pag sakit mo?
Sakit lang, ma'am.
It's actually my first time to get a leg wax because I usually just shave my legs. Ano yun lang?
Cornstarch po.
So first, cornstarch. Hot wax coming.
It's okay po.
It's okay. Hot wax, is it? Oh, okay lang. Wala sakit. That was the first pull. Second wax application. And pull. Okay lang. Wala sakit. Or ano lang, sanay lang kumasaktan.
Hugot, ma'am.
Hugot! Nice music while getting your wax done, and we're already on the second leg. Wala gay kurat. Tolerable lang kayo ang pain. Abi na ko humana, pero kailangan pa daita mo hapa para makuha po ng mga buhok sa likod na part. Diba? Nag-vlog habang nagpa-wax. May kurat. How'd guys Ate Gerlin? Gerlin with a G-U-I. After the hair removal, we put oil to close the pores again. And may libreng massage pa sa Ate Gerlin, no?
Yes po, complimentary massage, ma'am.
Oh, diba? Bongga na. And ang hilabot good ko, gigamit na ko ilang light para gwapo tan-aw akong makeup. Yeah, and we're done with the leg wax, and now we're gonna go to the armpits na. So, tapos na ang Ilocos Norte. Ilocos Sur na punta. We're done with the half leg and underarm waxing service, and I think that only took around 30 minutes. Wala kayo sakit, very tolerable, and yeah, very fast ang service. Hair free! So I'm done with my waxing, and it's Mama's turn to get her eyelash extensions. Courtesy of HeySugar. So aside from their sugaring services, they also offer eyelash extensions and actually many more services. And my mom doesn't really have a lot of body hair, so she's gonna try out eyelash extensions for the first time. Grabe, nakulbaan ka, no? Ma?
Wala.
Eh. Kulbaan gani siya. Sakit na. Ano siya. This is her before, without the lashes. Before. And open your eyes. We're gonna see the after later on. Gabi ka, stiff, uy. Hey guys, I'm here at HeySugar, and I'm with Ma'am Christy. She is the manager of HeySugar in Abriza, Ayala branch. And yeah, Ma'am, can you tell us something, a little bit about HeySugar and how it started here in Davao?
HeySugar Waxing Salon, nag-start po siya noong November 24, 2015 last year. Bali, first branch po sa Davao.
So what are the services that you offer here in HeySugar?
Hindi lang po siya waxing, meron din po kami eyelash extension and eyebrow threading.
Tapos, ano po yung difference ng waxing service here sa HeySugar compared to other waxing salon?
Bali, organic po yung gamit natin, 100% sugar po talaga tayo compared to other waxing salon. So, Pati sa threading po, organic thread po yung gamit namin.
Do you have ongoing discounts or promotions?
Yes ma'am, may 15% off po tayo sa selected waxing po. Like full arm, full legs, bikini Brazilian. So, punta lang po kayo dito sa Arvin Mall, located po at 3rd floor, beside po ng Beans Furniture, and malapit lang po siya sa Globe.
Let's have a closer look. So don't mind the wrinkles. But yeah, it looks so nice and natural. No, open up. She only got the 8mm, no? Para natural lang because it's her first time, so I did not want to overwhelm her. She also wears glasses, so it's easier kung mas maikli muna for now. But kung gusto mo siya, you can go back to HeySugar and have a longer and thicker lashes, maybe next time 10 or 12mm, no? Dilagay ka mo yung We're done with our services here in HeySugar, and it's time to say goodbye. Bye! Thank you! Before going to Nailaholics, snack muna. We're here at Crave Shack with Mama. Di ma-focus. Minaan kasi yung pilok, Ma.
Okay lang, wala lang siya. Gaan lang siya.
Ano daw? Thank you po. Hey guys, we're currently here in Nailaholics, trying to vlog pero hinay lang. Kay mingaw kaya dire. Niya maka-disturb at taglaing clients. But yeah, currently soaking my feet, and yeah, we'll start with Lush Lagoon. It's the package that we availed. Yeah. So the package that we availed is Lush Lagoon. It includes mani and pedi, foot spa, 30 minutes foot massage, and this is additional na gel nails because I want to try it. Just waiting for my pedi to dry, and kami na lang ang tao. Mingaw na. Done na. My shoes are from Payless, by the way. It's a Cristiano something line. I bought it on sale. It was originally 1,650, and guess what? Tag 350 na lang siya. Na-shock food ko sa price. Pag ato na ko sa counter, 350 na lang.
Hi, I'm Annabelle, the store manager of Nailaholics Arvin Mall. Since we are a nail salon and spa, our flagship services are mani, pedi, foot scrub, and we also have massage, waxing, and threading services. For now, our ongoing promos, we have the Paraffin Pleasures. This promo includes manicure, pedicure, and foot paraffin. From 1,150, it's now down to 920.
Looky! They also have freebies for all of their clients, courtesy of Dove. Done with the Nailaholics experience, and thank you, Mambel and staff. See you soon!
Oy, smooth kayo pang legs to, oy!
Bikini and Brazilian waxing.
Sige, gusto ka? Ikaw, go.
Para maralatag mag-chika, Ma'am Christine. Ilong, ako na ulaw. Kung gusto ka ng chika lang na na Bisaya or English. Pwede man Tagalog na ng Tagalog. Hindi mo kabulong ka na. Pwede yung kanang pangit ako Tagalog ka naman. Sila na, bukit ikaw ang Tagalog.
Bisaya tayo.
Ay, Tagalog na lang. Tagalog. Ay, mag-English ka, mag-Tagalog ka.
Lugi ko.
Sa service.